could win the award again this year. Still eligible. Michael Rasmussen. At center, Nemesnikov and Ernie on his wings, Leddy and Mo Seider. And they apparently are using the new pucks for player tracking. They had some issues with them a season ago, put it on hold, but they're back now and all good to go. That'll be held by Vasilevsky. They score! It sneaks through!
Larkin. I think it's Larkin. It was a bit of a knuckleball, I believe, from Fabry, and it dipped when it got to Vasilevsky.
Put it on hold, but they're back now and all good to go.
Oh yeah, that baby was knuckling.
Seider banked one back for Leddy. Kucherov in point. Hedman and Sergachev for Tampa. Tyler Bertuzzi with Dylan Larkin. Bertuzzi through it. He scores! Tyler Bertuzzi with a beautiful goal!
Oh my God.
And it's 2-0.
You're going to have to see this a couple of times. Holy mackerel. Oh my God. Leddy starts to play out. What's this move?
And he beats Sergachev and Hedman. That's
between
not bad.
I mean, between the defensemen, between his feet, back in the front, and he fools Vasilevsky. Look at the play. My God.
Detroit helped facilitate that deal from Columbus. Down low, Larkin saved there by Vasilevsky. Penalty over. Ernie the shot. Oh! Scores! Bertuzzi! 3-0.
Holy mackerel. Going, what is going on here? These are supposed to be the Red Wings of last year, and we're the Cup champions. One more goal, and Vasilevsky's probably going to get a rest.
Here comes Hedman. To the net goes Point.
Whoa.
They score!
Oh,
Palat!
That'll take the damper out of it right away. Wow.
Point drove the net. Hedman went wide to Palat, and it's 3-1.
Detroit got a lot of fortunate bounces tonight, and Tampa Bay just got one right there. Good quick shot under the trapper, and over the left pad of Nedeljkovic. There's a Lindstrom stick right to Palat. And
Raymond decided to Fabry. The shot, the save, the rebound. Lucas Raymond. Down low, Bertuzzi. Fabry, Bertuzzi. Scores!
What a play!
Track! 4-1! Bring down the hats!
What a play! Of more than a 19-year-old. Wow. Earlier we had Seider with his first point.
Cleared near side, then puck is stolen. Nedeljkovic, poke check on Stamkos. Here's Sergachev. Kucherov, Stamkos,
wow,
he scores. Back of the net and out. Give him a chance, he'll bury it. Steven Stamkos makes it 4-2. A power play goal, and they'll stay on the power play.
On that one.
Stamkos had 2 assists on Tuesday.
Boom. Yeah.
Braden Point. Sergachev. Stamkos scores! Under the bar and in! Steven Stamkos makes it a 1-goal game. 2 in a row. 2 power play goals.
Detroit should have had better coverage here. 2 guys on the one side. Yeah. Geez, I mean.
Shot just went wide from Cirelli and cleared. Out of the box comes Bertuzzi. Takes a peek. Comes out himself. The shot. He scores! 4 goals! Tyler Bertuzzi.
Yes, Tampa didn't play it good defensively. They backed off, but too many pucks have hit Vasilevsky for Cooper's liking and ended up in the net.
Ernie's got it now. A career year last year for him. 11 goals. Personal best in goals and 20 points. Tied his best. Rasmussen. Rebound! Scores! No! Nemesnikov! Red Wings by 3 again.
Nemesnikov, who did everything but score a bunch of goals last year, missed open nets, hit goalposts, hit crossbars, made no mistake on that one. A funny bounce around the net. And again, the goaltender's down, bounced off of him right out, and nobody there in a white jersey. So Tampa Bay is really on their heels.
Vasilevsky came into this game 12-0 in his career in the regular season against the Red Wings, allowing just 1 goal in 7 of his last 12, and they score. They get a little closer here to make it 6-4 with 6:17 to go. Detroit in his history.
Boy, they've really miscued this defensive.
Stevens should know the tendencies here of Cirelli, who won the draw. The headman scores! What a shot by Nikita Kucherov.
That's what happens when you lose a face-off again. Oh my God. And it's a 6-5 game. Stamkos, Hedman, bingo, 6-5. Jesus.
Only give Tampa another chance to set up. Nedeljkovic. Back in front to score!
They did.
Killorn a miscue, back of the net, and it's a 6-6 game. Crazy night here at Little Caesars Arena. Wow.
To Kaiser from doing anything with it, and Killorn goes right to the front of the goalpost, and boom, we got a tie game.
The kids get nice time late, and we're going to overtime. A 6-6 game. We'll play 3-on-3 to perhaps decide a winner. It's not like you and Espo when you played 240 and didn't skate much.
Speed, but that's right. Speed wasn't the same.
No. Hedman back in front. They score. Palat. He fought off Suter going to the net.
Unbelievable.
Tampa Bay wins it 7-6 after being down 3 goals 2 times. Win by 1 in overtime.
The home team really put on a show in all kinds of form, and see, he just got inside position on Suter. Did Palat, his 2nd goal of the night. Tampa Bay, outside of the one almost icing, had the puck the whole overtime. 2 minutes and 43 seconds they had the puck. Detroit didn't touch it, only once.
Hedman and point assisting.
Wow.
2:43 of overtime. Yes, it is.
Spoiled the party.
48-26 the final shots as Tampa wins